Rochester, message Golf Delta India Alpha at North Park for flight as briefed for radio check taxi instructions.
India Alpha using runway 02 main left hand circuit QNH 1014. Power checks where you are, call ready to taxi to the hold.
Runway 02 main left hand circuit QNH 1014, power checks in situation and call when ready to taxi Golf India Alpha. Golf India Alpha, power checks complete and ready for departure.
India Alpha, taxi for runway 02, surface wind is 06006 knots, take off your discretion on reaching.
Taxi runway 02 and take off on my discretion on reaching Golf India Alpha. Golf India Alpha taking off runway 02 main.
Alpha.
Golf India Alpha switching to Southend approach on 130.780.
Alpha, Southend.
Golf India Alpha. Southend approach, this is Golf Delta India Alpha, request a basic service and zone transit.
Golf Delta India Alpha, Southend radar, pass your message.
Golf Delta India Alpha is Cessna 152, 1POB, departed Rochester, currently 3 miles to the east of Sittingbourne. Request zone transit via Sheerness, directly over your overhead up to Whittam, and then on into Earls Colne.
Golf India Alpha, basic service, squawk 4575, QNH 1013.
Squawk 4575, QNH 1013, Golf India Alpha.
Golf India Alpha, report your level.
Currently 2,000 feet on 1013.
Golf Delta India Alpha, clear to cross Southend controlled airspace, VFR not below 2,000 feet.
Clear to cross Southend airspace, not below 2,000 feet, Golf India Alpha.
Golf India Alpha, entering controlled airspace, 1 mile, radar control.
Entering controlled airspace, 1 mile, radar control, Golf India Alpha.
Golf India Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles opposite direction, Cessna 172 indicating 1,900 feet, cleared VFR not above 3,000 feet.
Looking, Golf India Alpha.
Golf Sierra Echo, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles opposite direction, Cessna indicating 2,100 feet.
A-firm looking, I'll climb now to 3,000 feet, Golf Sierra Echo.
aircraft about to head directly over the top of Southend. Air's pretty calm today, we're 2,200 feet, so we're in old airspace. A little bit hazy, but visibility's not bad. And just down on the left there now is Southend Airport. A couple of aircraft on the apron and a couple on the ground. Oh yeah, we left Rochester, just flown over Southend.
Golf Sierra Echo leaving controlled airspace, basic service.
Basic service, Golf Sierra Echo.
Heading up to Whittam, and then from Whittam into Earls Colne. So I've not been to Earls Colne before. So it's something new, and see how we go.
Golf Alpha Lima entering controlled airspace in 3 miles, radar control, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles opposite direction Cessna, 2,100 feet.
Roger, radar control and looking out for the Cessna, leveling off 2,500, 1013, Golf Alpha.
Golf India Alpha leaving controlled airspace 1 mile, basic service opposite direction Mooney, 2,500 feet.
Leaving controlled airspace 1 mile and then basic service, and copy the traffic, Golf India Alpha. Into Earls Colne. So we need to fly over the edge. It's an overhead joint, so we will hopefully we can see it as well. A bit hazy in the direction that we're going, but hopefully we'll be able to find the airfield. Got Whittam coming up on the nose now. Golf India Alpha, request frequency change to Earls Colne radio on 122.430.
Golf India Alpha, Roger, and Squawk Conspicuity, bye-bye.
Squawk Conspicuity, thank you for your service, goodbye, Golf India Alpha. Earls Colne radio, this is Golf Delta India Alpha, just 3 miles to the south of your zone, request joining instructions.
Golf Delta India Alpha, Earls Colne radio, runway news 06, right hand circuit, QNH 1014, QFE 1006.
Runway news 06, right hand circuit, QFE 1014, QNH 1014, QFE 1006, Golf India Alpha.
Golf India Alpha, the circuit is active.
Roger, Golf India Alpha.
Golf India Alpha, Earls Colne radio.
Go ahead, Golf India Alpha.
Golf Golf India Alpha, I see you on the dead side. Just to remind you, we're 06 with a right-hand circuit.
06 right hand, Golf India Alpha. Golf India Alpha just overhead for runway 06.
Golf India Alpha, roger, thank you.
Golf India Alpha's downwind.
Golf India Alpha, roger.
Golf India Alpha turning final for runway 06.
Golf India Alpha, roger, surface wind light and variable.
Golf India Alpha. Golf India Alpha is clear of the active.
Golf India Alpha, roger.